Hello friends, I am Professor Lakshman Mane, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering in Jayawantharao Sawant College of Engineering, Hadapsar. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on hydraulic turbines, that is Introduction to Hydropower Plant and Classification of Hydraulic Turbines. So hydraulic turbines are turbo machines which converts hydraulic energy, that is pressure energy and kinetic energy of water into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is further converted into electrical energy. Here a source of hydraulic energy is a dam. So dam is a structure of reinforced cement concrete or masonry constructed across a river. Now we will see about hydroelectric power plant. Hydraulic turbines are used in hydropower plant to generate electrical power. So from a dam, huge amount of water, that is containing potential energy, is conveyed by using penstock to the turbine location where the turbine is rotated. Thus mechanical energy is obtained. This mechanical energy is converted into further electrical energy, that is transmitted by using transmission lines. So we will see types of hydraulic turbines. Hydraulic turbines are classified as per the type of action into two types: first impulse turbine and reaction turbine. As per the type of flow direction, hydraulic turbines are classified into three types: tangential flow, radial or mixed flow and axial flow. As per the available head, hydraulic turbines are having three types: low head turbine, medium head turbine and high head turbine. As per the specific speed of the turbine, these are having three types: low specific speed turbine, medium specific speed turbine and high specific speed turbine. Now we will see impulse turbine. In impulse turbines, available energy of water is converted into kinetic energy by the nozzle before entry to the runner. So in this case, the water from the nozzle is striking to the bucket of Pelton wheel where the conversion of kinetic energy into mechanical energy is taking place. So example of impulse turbine is a Pelton wheel. It is a tangential flow type impulse turbine. So especially this is suitable for high head, that is about 250 meter, and low specific speed, that is up to 50 meter. Energy conversion inside the turbine casing take place at atmospheric pressure. Now we will see reaction turbines. Total energy available at the inlet of turbine is kinetic energy and pressure energy. So in reaction turbine, as water passes through the volute casing, part of pressure energy is converted into kinetic energy, and when it passes through the runner, remaining kinetic energy is converted into mechanical energy. So example of reaction turbine is a Francis turbine. It is a mixed flow type reaction turbine. This turbine is suitable for medium head, that is up to 60 meter and speed 50 to 250 rpm speed. In Francis turbine, water enter to the impeller radially and it changes its direction and leaves the blade axially. Third type of the turbine is Kaplan turbine. It is axial flow type reaction turbine in which the hub, it has number of blades which are adjustable. Kaplan turbine is suitable for low head, that is below 60 meter, and high specific speed, that is about 250 rpm. So after this session, we can illustrate working of hydroelectric power plant. We can explain working principle of various hydraulic turbines, and we can explain classification of hydraulic turbines. Thank you.